Today to this week's weekly analysis. Okay, so quickly, this is what I'm seeing in the markets, starting with DXY. So if you look closely, you see that DXY was constantly bearish and is currently retracing bullish. Okay, and with that, it just clearly just lets us know that throughout this week we're going to be finding the sell of EU and GU. So when we look at GU, you confirm with me that it's going to go bearish. Okay, though there is a liquidity on this side which must be taken out first before we confirm the downward movement. In fact, I'm spotting an entry for GU, of which though might not go in immediately because of these two liquidities, 1 and 2. I would like to see it tested first. But for EU, we're going to go in with EU, and this will be exactly as the market opens, and we're going long. Okay, so this will be the POI. If you have the eyes to spot POIs, then you agree with me that this is the closest POI, of which with that we can actually go long with EU. So where we target, we're targeting the next downside liquidity, of which you may not see because it's a long. So let's go to 45 minutes. Okay, it's still not very clear on 45 minutes. Let's go to 2 hour. All right, so you can see very well that this will be the target. This will be the target for EU, and I'm thinking that we should do this. We should long this, even though at some point we're going to be breaking even, you know, to secure profits, just to be sure that we do not take an unrealistic trade. So this is actually what my eyes is seeing on EU, and if we're able to catch this is going to be really massive. So if you take your measurement, you see that from here to here is just about 34 pips. Okay, so we will wait, let it just be 20 pips, so that we can then target 73 pips. So this will be massive. This will be massive. So that's what I'm seeing coming for EU. So get ready. I'm going to tell you all when to go in once it's time. All right, so quickly let's look at gold. And gold was going bearish, you know, towards the closing of the markets. It's currently retracing upward, and we're going to wait for the full retracement first. If it takes out this lower high, then we're going to find the bullish move. If it doesn't take it out, if it fails and keep going down, then we're going to keep going bearish on gold, because if you look very well closely, you see that gold has been going, you know, bearish, at least for some time now. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. From the 4-hour time frame, you can see what I mean. You know, it was constantly bullish for some time, of which you can see this follow up, and now it is retracing what? Bearish. So this is it. I haven't drawn the trend line from the 4-hour time frame. I'm expecting gold to maintain this line. If it takes it out and breaks upward, then we'll find the bullish move or the bullish retracement. All right, quickly let's go straight into stocks, CFDs and the rest of them. So for Tesla, 2 hours time frame, what are we seeing? Okay, currently retracing. Okay, so we're going to look for the next move on Tesla. Drawn the liquidity already. So even though we didn't finish with, let's look at this Nasdaq. So you can see this retracement on Nasdaq. The liquidity line has been drawn. Eyes are on Nasdaq, looking out for the entry. We have US oil. You can see US oil. So it looks like it's still going to come bearish, okay, to this point, fully before it begins to go bullish. So we're going to keep looking at US oil. Then we have US 30. So this is what US 30 did. I haven't gone close to take profit, just pushed up to the upside. Eyes are on US 30 to confirm the bullish move, but it looks like it's retracing to go bullish. and then we have US 100, of which eyes are still on US 100. I haven't taken profit on that. Then we move straight to UJ gave us was it UJ that gave us take profit now? Okay, so UJ is it's coming here. Okay, so if you catch that, congratulations. Then we have GJ. So GJ has not yet taken profit. We're very close, so it may retrace. So trend line has been drawn for the liquidity, so eyes are going to be on GJ. I'll give you updates on what to do with GJ. And then we have EJ. I think EJ was the one that hit take profit eventually out of them all. So this is EJ. So I'm expecting it to retrace bullish. Then I'll let you know what we'll do with EJ. And then we have CHF JPY. So we're going to just look for the 24 hours time frame, of which we've done that already. So we've drawn out the liquidities. We have UC. We've drawn out the liquidity on the 24-hour time frame, and then we have AU. So those are the pairs that we are trading with the with this particular strategy. So the AU is with Wanda. AU, so you can see everything is set. So quickly, let's go to BTC, and let's look at the few cryptos before we go into the synthetics. So this is what BTC has done so far. I knew this was going to hold it, so it may retrace. BTC may retrace quickly to this level. So it may just retrace back to this level, and that's what I'm actually seeing on BTC. And until then, I'm not going to be buying BTC, so I'll wait for the bearish retracement before I decide if I'm going to be buying BTC. And then we have Ethereum. Has done the buy move. I gave the entry. I think it take profit already. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the next move on Ethereum, and once there's a move, I'll let you know what to do with Ethereum. Then we have Pi. I told you to buy Pi. I told you to invest on Pi, because Pi is going to $60. So I told you to buy it at the rate of 0.7, and right now I think it's it's $2 already, so you can still buy. But like I told you already, it's coming to $60, so it's a good investment. You can also hold your Trump USDT on spot wallet, and you can hold your millennia USDT also on spot wallet, as you may not be losing anything, knowing that the investment is going to soon move. Okay, so this is it. So it's coming here. It's at least to 79. So that'll be all on crypto, forex, CFDs, stocks, and commodities. So now we are on the synthetics. So quickly, let's look at a few things on the synthetics. Okay, so we have a few analysis that have been done. I think we even had a few entries as well. Let's look quickly. So this is jump 100. Okay, jump 100, and it took out this liquidity, so it looks like it's resting here. If it's truly resting there, then we're gonna go long on jump. Yeah, I think it's time to go long on jump 100, of which we're going to be targeting this liquidity, and our stop loss will just be here. So that's what I'm seeing, yeah, on jump 100. So quickly, that's a VIP signal. it will be very important to post it on the VIP group. Most times I get to say I'm going to post, and sometimes I even forget to post. Okay, so let's just do it quickly. So we go up, we have volatility 25. So this is what is done so far. It didn't even get into this liquidity point, so I'm going to put eyes on it to understand the directional bias. Not clear directional bias yet. Then we have volatility 50. Okay, so this is gonna go bullish. This is gonna go bullish, so put your stop loss just here and come here. Let's come here. This will be for volatility 50. And then let's go to volatility 75. Okay, so this one is still going, looks like it's still going up, but let's see. I don't like to trade the all-time high. Okay, so the liquidity is here, so you can actually go in for jump. Sorry, volatility 75. So let me show you, it's a long. Let's use 2 hours. It's a massive long, so it's gonna go this way, starting from here. It's going all the way up to this point. That's jump, sorry, volatility 75. So the 2 hours didn't bring it out clearly, so let's use 4 hours. So I think 4 hours brought it out clearly. So this is it for jump 75, sorry, volatility 75. Volatility 75. Okay, so we'll go straight to volatility 100. So it's been going bearish. I think we missed that. So it's supposed to go in somewhere around here. We had the POI. I wish I was online, I would have got that. So we're going to just wait for it to do its move. Yeah, let's just wait for it to complete its moves. Then let's go straight to boom 500. Okay, so boom 500 is here currently. Then let's see, out. Okay, so boom 500, I see it's going, bullish, at least to this point. Stop loss should just be somewhere around here. Okay, so boom 500. Then let's go to the next one, crash 500. Okay, so it's rested here. I wish I gave this update when I did this analysis. I saw this liquidity, so it's supposed to stop just somewhere around there. So let's wait. It's back up here, and I see it's crashing again. Let's look at the 4 hours so that we know the trend. Okay, so let's hold on with our entry for crash. I just need a few things to confirm the entry. Then let's go to jump 25. Okay, so jump 25 was so close to take profit, but it's still moving actually. So okay, took out all these liquidities. Yeah, so definitely it's coming to take profit. You can hold that, but make sure you break even to secure profit. We have jump 50. Okay, so this is good. Okay, it's already initiated, so I see jump 50 going long as well. it's been going long as well. So let's see. Okay, so but this is a break of structure. Okay. Let's see. I think this is it for jump 50. Yeah, and the VIP group, and then the final one. I already shown you jump 100. So jump 75 and we're done. With what I'm saying. Okay, inducement. So this is the okay, so break of structure. Yeah. Okay, so you can actually go short with this. Okay, jump 75, but the next liquidity side should be your take profit. Stop loss should be just around here. So this is jump 75. So this ends the weekly analysis of the week, as this is the last synthetic. Okay, so quickly, I'd love to just remind you, remember I will be live 1 p.m. on Monday GMT +1. I'll be trading live, and I'm going to be guiding you on what you can do in the markets, okay, so you can win and succeed in this new week. So get ready to be part of that beautiful session. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so that when we have similar videos that would help you in your career posted, you can be notified. Okay, make sure you create an account today with Headway, and also if you want a prop card, you can simply visit TradeX Mastery. Check any of our description section of any of our videos, you'll find the links to easily get there. Then also make sure you are a part of what we're doing. You can either join the free community or join the VIP community, so you can be guided with our mentorship. See you next time.